Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the electric supply fuel pump on Kia Ceed 2 liters diesel. The supply fuel pump is located in the tank just underneath the rear seat. You just bring the seats up and then you remove this metal panel that's on top. It's held by 4 bolts. And we have access to the supply fuel. Next we're going to remove the two fuel lines. We just need to push in these two together and they come out. There is also an electrical connector that we need to remove that I've already removed. And then there is like 6 or 7 bolts with a size 10 socket that we need to remove. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that we've removed all the bolts, we'll put the fuel lines to the side. We'll remove the metal cap and take the supply fuel pump out. And now we can put on the new fuel pump. And now we can assemble everything in the reverse order. Now that everything is assembled, we can go to the front of the car and turn the ignition on and off about 10 times so that the fuel pump primes the fuel system, and then we can start the car. And that's it, the car has started. Thank you for watching.